Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate vegan burger from scratch. This burger is 100% vegan. It contains no traces of any animal products whatsoever. The patty, sauce, and even the cheese is vegan, and it tastes absolutely phenomenal. The vegan patty is incredibly juicy, just like a regular beef patty. I guarantee you won't be able to tell it's vegan. To start, in a food processor, add 1 cup of walnuts. Process until crumbly. Then transfer to a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste into your food processor. Process until it's thoroughly mixed together. Transfer to the mixing bowl with the walnuts. Then add 1 tablespoon vegan mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 cup cooked couscous, and half a cup of vital wheat gluten. Now, using your hands, thoroughly mix everything together. Perfect. It should look just like this. Now, all that's left to do is form the burger patties. You will need a burger press and parchment paper. Place down a layer of parchment paper. Pull off a section of the vegan patty mix. Place the vegan patty mix onto the parchment paper. Then place another layer of parchment paper on top. Then, using your burger press, carefully flatten the patty. That's perfect. It should look just like this. Now, it's time to cook it. Place the vegan patty into a frying pan over medium heat. Cook for 2 minutes, then flip. After 2 more minutes, add a slice of vegan cheese on top of the patty. Perfect. Remove from heat. Serve in a brioche bun. Add vegan burger sauce, the homemade vegan patty, tomato, pickles, red onion, lettuce, more burger sauce, and finally, the top bun. And you're done! You have just made an incredibly tasty vegan burger. Serve this at your next family gathering. I guarantee no one will be able to tell it's vegan. All that's left to do is tuck in and enjoy. It's absolutely putrid. Do not make this. Let's cook some real food. Now we are talking. I know you clicked on this video for a vegan burger recipe, but trust me, this tastes way better. You should make this instead. Enjoy!